Hello everyone, welcome back to Mehndi Designs. In today's video, I am going to show you how to turn number 1 into a beautiful lotus. If you like this design, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And also comment down which number you want me to try next. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Please like and share, subscribe to my channel.